Today we're diving into the realm of SEO with two powerful tools, Surfer SEO and NeuronWriter. Surfer SEO is an all-in-one platform designed to optimize your website's search engine performance, while NeuronWriter offers advanced AI-driven content generation capabilities. Throughout this comparison, we'll explore 5 key aspects such as features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives. Let's take a brief look at these tools' main bragging points. Surfer SEO features include content optimization. Surfer SEO provides in-depth analysis and recommendations to optimize your content for search engines, including keyword density, content length, and semantic relevance. SERP Analyzer. With Surfer SEO's SERP Analyzer, you can dissect top-ranking pages to uncover key SEO metrics and gain insights into competitor strategies. Backlink Analysis. Surfer SEO offers backlink analysis tools to evaluate the quality and relevance of your backlink profile, helping you improve your website's authority. Keyword Research. Surfer SEO's robust keyword research tools enable you to identify high-value keywords and uncover new opportunities for organic traffic growth. NeuronWriter features include AI content generation. NeuronWriter leverages advanced AI algorithms to generate high-quality, engaging content in minutes, saving you time and effort in content creation. Content personalization. With NeuronWriter, you can tailor content to specific audience segments, ensuring relevance and resonance with your target audience. Topic exploration. NeuronWriter offers topic exploration tools to identify trending topics and uncover new content ideas based on real-time data and user preferences. Performance tracking. NeuronWriter provides performance tracking and analytics features to monitor the impact of your content and refine your content strategy over time. In terms of pricing, Surfer SEO offers subscription plans starting at $59 per month for its basic plan, while its business plan is starting at $199 per month. On the other hand, NeuronWriter's pricing begins at $49 per month for its standard plan, and its premium plan is available at $99 per month. Surfer SEO provides a comprehensive suite of SEO tools with a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned SEO professionals. Conversely, NeuronWriter excels in content generation and personalization, offering advanced AI-driven features that cater to content marketers and businesses seeking to scale their content efforts efficiently. Summarizing the pros and cons, Surfer SEO offers robust SEO tools and actionable insights to improve search engine rankings, but it may have a steeper learning curve for beginners. On the other hand, NeuronWriter streamlines content creation with its AI capabilities, but it may lack the depth of SEO analysis provided by Surfer SEO. Alternatives to Surfer SEO and NeuronWriter include SEMrush, Ahrefs, and ClearScope. SEMrush offers a comprehensive suite of SEO and marketing tools, while Ahrefs specializes in backlink analysis and competitor research. ClearScope offers content optimization features similar to Surfer SEO, focusing on semantics analysis and keyword optimization. Ultimately, the choice between Surfer SEO and NeuronWriter depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you prioritize SEO optimization and analysis, Surfer SEO may be the better option here. However, if you're looking for advanced content generation capabilities, NeuronWriter could be the ideal choice. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and sign up for the tool that best fits your requirements. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and tips. Thank you for watching.